Welcome to Java Forum. Now I am going to show you how to fix ORA-02210 error in Oracle Database 12c. So now I am going to log in as a common user called c#scott in SQL Plus editor. So make sure that you have enough permission to execute all the queries. Okay. Now what I am going to do, I am going to select one table. Select star from person 2. Okay, so no records are there. So describe person 2. It contains some columns, name and age. Okay, so I am going to alter this table. So I am typing the command alter table person 2. That's it. You can see that ORA-02210, no option specified for alter table, which means that you cannot blindly type alter table name. You should specify some options which is a mandatory for alter table. Okay, so alter table person to modify. So I am modifying the age column, age number 4. Okay, so I am changing the data type size to 3 to 4. So which means that I am specifying some options for the alter table. Okay, so this is the fix for ORA-02210 error in Oracle Database 12c. Okay.